Hi, this is Granny Bee, and today I'm at RideMakerz in Pigeonforge. You choose, build and customize your own ride, your own car. I met Jake and his family here, and he will show you how to customize your car.
Jake.
I'm Granny Bee, and today we
Jake.
Jake built together this nice car. Remote control. Huh? Did you like it? Let's see how it works. Those are the working tables. And here you have the cars. You choose the car you like, and then you add the wheels, the motor, all the other accessories to it, whatever you like. They have plenty of cars available. And here you can see how Jake puts his car together. Let's just look.
Interested on any of those today? 28 includes everything. We get the battery, so he can be driving it right now when he leaves while the battery pack's charging. It saves him saying, can I get a play with car? Can I play with car? Can I play with car? Yeah, it was definitely a good option they added there. Where y'all from? Oh, I already asked you that. You told me that already. How y'all doing? Good. Y'all ever been in before? All right. Quick rundown. Basically, we're like Build-A-Bear but for cars. The prices you see up there is the price you're going to pay for the car that sits. Stock wheels, stock tires, stock accessories, and essentially it's like a Hot Wheel car. You can push it. For $25 more, you can make your remote control car. They all got lights and tabs. The batteries is another question. Except for this one because it's like NASCAR, so it's got sticker headlights. You guys want to build one, just grab the one you want to build and head on down to the next counter here. Here you go, my man. Let's get your tires going. All right. These right here are the tires that are included in the price, but you can upgrade to anything down to the monster truck tires. Just make sure whatever ones you choose, you just make sure you get a small front and a big back. You can do a stock back and a white wall front. You can do a white wall front and a lightning bolt back. You can get the skulls here. Whatever one you decide, just make sure you get a big and a small. All right, grab and put it right in the basket.
Get front and rear, okay? Put it back in here with your car. Yep.
There you go. I'll be right over there with you guys. Let me get the rest of the bill. All right down here, bud. All right. These two bottom rows are what's included in the price, but you can upgrade to any ones you want to upgrade to. We got small sets and big sets of everything. Small dragons, big dragons, small tarantulas, big tarantulas. For your car, you need to pick out one set of small and one set of big. So you can do one big dragon, one cyclone. You can do one stock to one stock. You can do your RZ Bolt and a pink tarantula. Whatever you decide, just make sure you get a small front and a big back. And then you can head right over to the build station. All right, now we're going to keep this a street car or we want to make a monster. Monster's $5 more with a chassis. All right.
That's what's wrong, right? Okay. There's the build station. Yep. You're going to take it all out anyway. Or upside down. Or upside down right there.
right, sorry about that. Y'all almost got it figured out over here, huh?
Yeah, the wheels go there, but here, bud. Take these to the front over there.
All right. All right, here's what we're gonna do, man. Where's my... All right. Let me get you to write your name right there in that top box there. Yep, right at the top. All right, Jake. Here's what we're gonna do, all right? When I say go, not right away, okay? You'll pull this down. You'll put it on all the way, and you'll crank it down to hear that noise, all right? After you hear that noise, you'll go to the next one. If you hear this noise, it means it's not all the way down. You just want to stop and make sure it wiggles all the way down there, okay? After you get the back two and the front two, you'll come over here to your tires. You'll grab your rims, you can line them up, and you'll push them right down, all right? If you got one that's hard, you can line it up, flip it over, and bang it down like that, all right? Some of them may be harder, some of them may fall in pretty easy. After that, you're gonna take your front tires here, you're gonna line it right up and push them on, all right? I'll be here to help you if you have a little trouble getting them on, anything like that. These are your front tires, these are your back tires. These will go on the smaller fronts, these will go on the bigger backs. All right, do you have any questions? All right, my man, put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back, bud. Put your hands behind your back.
Yep, put both your hands behind your back. Ready? On your mark, get set, don't go. Oh, you got all faster than that. All right, you ready? On your mark, you can stand right here in the middle. You pull this trigger right here. All right, I'll be right here to help you. Takes more than 5 minutes, you gotta buy me lunch. Deal? Right? Deal, all right. Ready? Go. There you go. All right, let's get those rims put in. That will go in that one. There you go. Snap it right on the front there. Sometimes them little ones can be. There you go. Did they snap on there? The small ones are kind of hard to work, but there you go. Boom. Get your next one there. We're good on that one. Moving right along. I think you got it upside down. Nope, you got it right. Just let's turn this one around. There you go. Now put it in that way. There we go. There we go. We on there good? Boom. All right, let's get the back two. You're making good time, my man. There you go. Those ones are a little bit easier, ain't they? All right, got one more to go. And when you're done, flip it over and put your hands up. Good job. There you go. Flip it over, put your hands up. Flip the car. All right, you think you're buying me lunch? Looks like I'm starving today. 2 minutes and 6 seconds, Jake. Good job. All right, now we're gonna inspect it. Flip her back over. And you'll get a key just like this when we check you out. It'll just be a little bit smaller. This one's for a monster truck, but it works on both. You'll loosen this here. And that reveals the battery tray. All right, when you put your battery pack in when it's charged, you just take this one out and put the battery pack in that place. You know how to put batteries in? All right, there you go. Put the flat side to the spring side. Oh, is that?
Yeah.
There you go. I'm in. There we go. All right, after that, you'll just make sure these kind of go in right there. Tighten her down. You don't got to tighten it too down. It's just plastic, so you'll just go until you feel it get a little tight. Boom. All right. You see how it has a 1, 2, 3 right here? You also have a 1, 2, 3 right here. So make sure if this is on 3, this one's on 3. All right? Let's see what we got here. We got both headlights. Both headlights coming on. All right, your headlights come on when you go forward. We got both taillights. Taillights come on when you go backwards. All right? Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. All right. I think the car's good, my man. Let's jump over here behind you and have some fun. This right here is what I call the operating table. You can spend as much time as you want. Come on over here, Jay. These are your front bumpers right here. They'll go on this spot right here, all right? After that, you're gonna have your engines and your hood scoops. They'll go right here. It's just magnetic. That way, if you ever step on it, pick it up, anything like that, it don't break, it just comes out. After that, you're gonna have your side pipes. Your side pipes will come right here on the side. These ones here light up. You got blue and red. Just make sure the connection points are hitting the connection points. You got your police lights right here, looking like we're running low. Those are magnetic as well. They'll just go right on the roof. All right. You got your spoilers, different colors. This will come off. If you need help, let me know. You just kind of roll it forward, it'll come off. Then you got your tailpipes and your wheelie bars will come right here. You can try on anything you want to try on. Take it out of the package, try it on. If you like it on the car, keep it on the car. If not, we ask you just put it back in the package, hang it on the wall. You can do that with anything you want except for the stickers. If you open the stickers, guess what? You're stuck with them. Huh. Y'all take your time. I'll be roaming around. If you have any questions, just let me know.
Show him.
Yeah,
Show him.
right here in the front here. You can move this and voila. See right there in the front?
Oh, yeah.
See when you hit the gas, those open up and it sucks air in there. Forced induction.
Oh, look at the lights. They're cool. They're really cool.
I think that Jake did a great job. I love his car. Thank you, Jake. This was Connie B. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos. See you next time. Bye bye.